Hi everyone! In this video we will solve a coin word problem. Tamika has $3.50 in nickels and quarters in her coin purse. The number of nickels is 5 times the number of quarters. How many coins of each type does she have? We have two unknowns, so we'll need two variables to represent each. The number of nickels, I'm going to choose N to represent the number of nickels, and the number of quarters, and I'm going to choose Q to represent the number of quarters. Nickels are worth 5 cents, and quarters are worth 25 cents. If we take the value of the coin and multiply it to how many we have, we'll get the amount for each of the coins. If we multiply 0.05 times N and 0.25 times Q, we'll get the amount for each of those. If we add those amounts together, we will get the total of all of it, which is $3.50. So this is our first equation. 0.05N plus 0.25Q equals $3.50. Decimals can sometimes be messy, so let's go ahead and get rid of them by multiplying both sides by 100. On the left side, we'll do the distributive, which gives us 5N plus 25Q equals 350. Now let's read the second sentence for our second equation. The number of nickels we chose N to represent translates to equals 5 times is 5 being multiplied the number of quarters, which we chose Q to represent. So we have our second equation, N equals 5Q. Now that we have our two equations, we can substitute 5Q in for N everywhere in the first equation. This is beneficial because then we only have one variable and we can isolate that variable. So if we substitute it in, we get 5 times 5Q plus 25Q equals 350. Multiplying 5 times 5, we get 25Q plus 25Q equals 350. Adding like terms, 25 plus 25 is 50Q, which equals 350. Dividing both sides by 50 gives me Q equals 350 divided by 50 is 7. So we have 7 quarters. Now that we have that, we can substitute it back into the second equation. We could choose the first, but it's a lot more messy. So the second one's already solved for N. So we have N equals 5 times the number of quarters, which we just found to be 7. So 5 times 7 is 35, and that means we have 35 nickels. So we have 35 nickels and 7 quarters, and now we're all done.